Sims did this, an assistant coach, now head coach, records, you know, just goes on and on. Yeah, we were just unsure, I think, how to hit it. We hit the runs and everything up and say, look, chuck an ad out for us, or do we just get them to share it on their Facebook page, you know? Because I know if he wasn't tied up with the Wellington he coached
Okay, you're sleeping up here? Yeah, just...
Yeah, 2 years ago. Yeah. There's someone like him who was up and coming. I met him when I was in the satellite group 3 years ago. Sort of chucked him out here. With some experience rather than waiting to get the rank here. I mean, even player-wise, it's all about what you know. Yeah. Holy shit. Where's what you got first?
We missed the first try when I say we. I say we made cameraman did. I was on shot and I went to watch it too late because I thought he did. Because he said it, he just kicked off. He just kicked off.
Yeah, I hope his shade's got in their jersey at right now.
After that, I think we nailed every shot. I think it's like if I had something down to try it again, we're like, oh, it becomes really tight forward action.
They were fucking down with it.
I mean, it was a real belief anyway. You might have seen it, but yeah,
those jams were just running through the country, eh? Those jams were just running through it. Oh, I did see one, Rob. Lindsay doing one.
Nah, mate, I ended up choking egg. I didn't get mine the other week. No. Shit. Hey? Yeah, wait till now. Yeah, yeah, we just moved this shit out and put it in this little boy shit. Yeah. Right, mate.
house was. Now it still is in lots of places. No, that's 62.
I've got this text message from Toby. He said, it's all written now. What's the score? Used to put the scoreboard up on one of them. I needed to know what had happened. Toby told me just that. What should we be talking about?
Might go right round it.
One thing to commentate, but then you're commentating radio, the language. It's the way I like describing it really. You get it as really remote game and stuff like that. So I feel that giant size copies.
Probably could have included because they try to dump them because they get kicked out.
I'll just get up and come down through. I was getting up and I got my head stuck under the seat. My thing. Oh, thank you.
Oh, cheers, Tom. You're
Scratch there.
a gentleman in a scholar. Is that a thing that they live in office?
Well, we have the lights on while it goes off too.
Yeah, well, if we can get the lights on about while they're doing warm-ups, that's possible. respect